question. Given that sides of a triangle are in arithmetic progression, that is a plus c is equal to 2b, and the difference between the greatest and least angles is 90 degrees or pi by 2, then what is sin b by 2? From sine rule, a is nothing but 2r sin a, c is nothing but 2r sin c, take 2r common, b is nothing but 2r sin. Now you can cancel 2r on both sides. Sin a plus sin c from transformations can be written as 2 sin a plus c by 2 cos a minus c by 2 is equal to 2 into sin b can be written as 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2. You can cancel 2 on both sides. And in case of a triangle, a plus c by 2 is nothing but 90 minus b by 2 into cos of a minus c by 2 is equal to 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so these two gets cancelled. And a minus c is given as 90, so a minus c by 2 is pi by 4 is equal to 2 sin b by 2 cos 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 sin b by 2. Therefore, sin b by 2 will be 1 by 2 root 2. Option B is the correct answer. So use sine rule and then transformations. Next. In triangle ABC, 3 into tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 is delta by S into S minus A. Tan C by 2 is delta by S into S minus C is equal to 1. Then A sides are in which progression? 3 into delta square by S square S minus A S minus C is equal to 1. Delta square is nothing but S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S square into S minus A into S minus C is equal to 1. Now 1s gets cancelled, S minus A gets cancelled, S minus C gets cancelled. So what is left out? 3 into S minus B by, one more S will be there. So 3s minus 3b is equal to S. 3s minus S, 2s is equal to 3b. 2s is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to 3b. From this, A plus C is equal to 2. A plus C is equal to 2b means A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. So option A is correct. So write half angle formula for tan A by 2 and tan C by 2. And delta square Heron's formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And then do the simplification and you will see that the sides are in arithmetic progression. Next. Here sides ratio is given and you have to find cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 ratio. There is a shortcut formula for this. And it is like this. If sides ratio is equal to x is to y is to z, then cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to y plus z minus x is to x plus z minus y is to x plus y minus z. If A is to B is to C, x is to y is to z, that for cot A by 2 is cot B by 2, cot C by 2 ratio, the formula is y plus z minus x, z plus x minus y, x plus y minus z. What is y for us? 4. 4 plus 5 minus 3. X is 3 plus 5 minus 4. 3 plus 4 minus 5, which means 6 is to 4 is to 2. 3 is to 2 is to 1. Option C is the correct answer. So remember the shortcut. If sides ratio is x is to y is to z, then cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 ratio will be y plus z minus x is to z plus x minus y is to x plus y minus z. Here x, y, z are given as 3, 4, 5. Next, all the three sides are given. And we have to find tan b by 2. What is tan b by 2? From half angle formula, under root s minus a into s minus c by s into s minus b. This is a formula for tan b by 2 from half angle formula. For that we require s. S is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2. 13 plus 14 plus 15, 42 by 2, 21 you will get. Now substitute all the values. S minus a, 21 minus 13, 8. S minus c, 21 minus 15, 6. S 21, 7. So this is 3 2 times, 3 7 times. Root 16 is 4, root 49 is 7. So 4 by 7 is the correct answer, option C. So just use half angle formula where you require S. S is nothing but semi-perimeter, which is a plus b plus c by 2. And then substitute all the values in the formula. In any triangle ABC, 1 minus tan a by 2 to tan b. Tan a by 2 formula can be written as delta by s into s minus a. Tan b by 2 is delta by s into s minus b. Delta into delta, delta square by s square s minus a. From Heron's formula, delta square is s into s minus a into s minus b into by s square s minus a s minus b. So 1s gets cancelled, s minus a gets cancelled, s minus b gets cancelled. So what is left out? 1 minus of s minus c by s. Take LCM. You will get c by s. But if you look at options, options are in terms of all the sides. So what is semi-perimeter s? A plus b plus c by 2. So answer is 2c by a plus b plus. Option C is the correct answer. Next, again, sides are in arithmetic progression given, which means a plus c is equal to 2b. And we have to find the value of 2 sin a by 2 sin c by 2 by sin b by 2. Now, apply transformations for numerator. 2 sin a sin b is cos of a minus c by 2 minus cos of a plus c by 2 by sin b by 2. From this relation we can write a plus c by b is equal to 2. And from Mollweight's rule, a plus c by b is nothing but cos of a minus c by 2 by sin b by 2. This is Mollweight's rule. So by doing cross multiplication, what is cos of a minus c by 2 here? 2 times sin b by 2, right? Now substitute here. Cos of a minus c by 2 is 2 sin b by 2. And in case of a triangle, a plus c by 2 is nothing but 90 minus b by 2 by sin b by 2. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So 2 sin b by 2 minus sin b by 2 by sin b by 2. So what is numerator? 2 sin b by 2 minus sin b by 2 is sin b by 2 by sin b by 2. So numerator is 2 sin b by 2 minus sin b by 2. Sin b by 2 sin by sin b by 2 is 1. Option A is correct. This is known as Morley's law. Apply transformations here. And in case of a triangle, we know that a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is 90. Therefore, a by 2 plus c by 2 will be 90 minus b by 2. Okay. Look at next question. Triangle ABC. So all the sides are given A3, B4, B5, sorry. A3, and clearly these are the vertices of a right angled triangle where 5 is the hypotenuse. So angle B will be 90 degrees. This is A, this is C. So clearly angle B is 90 because 3, 4, 5 are the sides of a right angle triangle. Then sin b by 2 plus cos b by 2 will be sin 45. B by 2 is 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2, which is 2 by root 2, and hence it is root. Option A. So we know that 3, 4, 5 are the vertices of a right angle triangle where hypotenuse is 5. So and hence angle B is 90. B by 2 45. Sin 45 plus cos 45. Delta is area of the triangle whose sides are ABC. So what is delta? Heron's formula under root SC into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now the question is, what is the area of the triangle whose sides are 2A, 2B, 2C? Then let us say it is delta dash under root. What is S? Let us say it is S dash into S dash minus. Here the sides are 2A, 2B, 2C. And what will be S dash? 2A plus 2B plus 2C by 2, which means A plus B plus C. But what is S? A plus B plus C by 2. SC is A plus B plus C by 2. S dash is A plus B plus C, which is nothing but 2S. So in place of S dash, I can write 2S. So 2S minus 2A, 2S minus 2B, because you should get answer in terms of delta 1. So under root, if you take 2 common from each term, already 2 is there, 2 into 2 into 2, 16 you will get. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Root 16 is 4, and root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is delta. So answer is 4 times delta. Option B is the correct answer. So delta is the area of triangle whose sides are ABC. Use Heron's formula. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Let us say the second triangle area is delta dash, which is under root S dash into S dash minus 2A. Why we wrote 2A, 2B, 2C? Because for the second triangle, given that sides are 2A, 2B, 2C. And hence S dash will be 2A plus 2B plus 2C by 2, which is A plus B plus C. From this, A plus B plus C is nothing but 2S. Now substitute all the values and you will see that delta dash is equal to 4 delta. Now given 2 capital R plus small r is equal to R1, then which angle is 90? There is a shortcut formula for this. What is R1 minus R from this given condition below? Remember the shortcuts. R1 minus R is equal to 4R sin square A by 2. R2 minus R is 4R sin square B by 2. R3 minus R will be 4r sin square c by 2. These are the shortcut results. So in place of r minus r, we can write 4r sin square a by 2, which is equal to 2r. From this, sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin a by 2 1 by root 2. A by 2 45 degrees. A is equal to 90 degrees. Option A is correct. So all of you remember these shortcut formula, which are very useful. If a circle is inscribed in a right angle triangle at B, so a circle is inscribed in a right angle triangle given that right angle is at B, then what is the diameter of the circle? What is this circle known as? Incircle. Diameter of incircle is nothing but 2 times in radius. Now for smaller, we have a formula like this: S minus B tan B by 2. The circle is known as incircle. So diameter is 2 times in radius, and we have a formula for smaller as S minus B tan B by 2, and angle B is 90 degrees. So this is tan 45, which is 1. So this is 2s minus 2b. But what is 2s? A plus B plus C minus 2, which means A plus C minus B. What is A denoted with? A is BC side, C is AB, B is AC. So BC plus AB minus AC. Option A. So the name of the circle is incircle. Radius is denoted with small r. So diameter will be 2 into small r. And the formula for small r is S minus B tan B by 2, where angle B is 90 degrees. Side A is nothing but BC, side B is nothing but AC, side C is nothing but AB. So in place of small a, I can write BC, in place of small c, AB, small c, AC. Now here 2a is given as root 3b times plus c. Then which of the given option is correct? I am using sine rule. 2 into a is nothing but 2r sine a. B is nothing but 2r sine B. C is nothing but 2r sine C. Now you can cancel 2r on both sides. So 2 sine A is equal to root 3 sine B plus sine C. Or sine A is equal to root 3 by 2 sine B plus 1 by 2 sine C. Now from this condition is satisfied for what values of ABC? For what values of ABC this condition will get satisfied? Suppose if A is 90 degrees, B is 60, C is 30. So the above condition is satisfied for these values of ABC. Sin 90 is 1. Right hand side is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 1. So this triangle is a right angle triangle, right angle at A. If right angle at A, then the condition which we have is A square is equal to B square plus C square. So option B is correct. Here the three x radii are given. R1 is equal to 8, R2 is equal to 12, and we have to find angle C. For this we have a formula. Tan square C by 2 is equal to R3 by R1 R2. This is a shortcut formula for finding angle C when all the radii are. For that we require small r. And what is the shortcut we have? 1 by r is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. By using this you can find small r. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. So LCM is 24. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 by 24 which is 1 by 4. 1 by r is equal to 1 by 4 means small r is equal to 4. Now substitute all the values here. 4 into 24 by 8 into 12 which is 1. Tan square c by 2 1 means c is equal to 90 degrees. Tan square c by 2 1 implies tan c by 2 is 1. C by 2 45 degrees implies c is equal to 90 degrees. So remember this shortcut. Tan square c by 2 is equal to r3 by r1r. And how to find small r? Another shortcut. 1 by r is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r. So option A is correct. Next, the ratio between circumradius is capital R, inradius is small r, of a right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles means one angle is 90, the other two angles should be equal to 45 degrees. And the question is finding ratio of capital R and small r. Capital R is circumradius, small r is inradius. For that, all angles are known for us. Small r is equal to 4r sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 is the formula we have between small r and capital R. Angle A 45 means A by 2, angle A 90 means A by 2 45, sin 45 1 by root 2 into sin B by 2 22 and a half into sin 22 and a half, so sin square 22 and a half. So r is equal to 4r by root 2. What is sin 22 and a half from multiples of multiple angles? Square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the, so small r is equal to 4r by root 2. Sin square means root will not be there, so root 2 minus 1 by 2. Root 2 into 2 root 2 is 4. So 4 gets cancelled. So capital R into root 2 minus 1. From this, what is capital R by small r? 1 by root 2 minus 1. Do rationalization. 1 by root 2 minus 1 is nothing but root 2 plus 1 after rationalization. So capital R is to small r is equal to root 2 plus 1 is to 1. Option B is the correct answer. So given that triangle is a right angled isosceles, which means one angle is 90, other two angles are equal to 45 degrees. And we know the formula for smaller as 4 capital R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2, and substitute the values. For that you need to remember this sin 22 and a half as under root 2 minus 1 by 2. If 3 capital R is equal to 4R, then what is cos A plus cos B plus cos C? We have to remember this shortcut. Cos A in any triangle ABC, cos A plus cos B plus cos C. We know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus small r by capital R. This is a shortcut that has to be remembered. That is equal to 1 plus. From given condition, what is small r by capital R? 3 by 4. So 1 plus 3 by 4, which is 7 by 4. Option B is correct. So remember this shortcut. Cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus small r by capital. Next, in triangle ABC, that is not M1, R1. R1 into R2 plus R3 by under root. R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. That is not N1, it is R1. And we have a shortcut formula like this: R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 is equal to S square. So denominator will be S. And what is R1? Delta by S minus A. R2 delta by S minus B. R3 delta by S minus C. So this is delta by S minus A. Take delta common in the remaining two terms. Then you get 1 by S minus B plus 1 by S minus C by S. And that will be equal to delta into delta, delta square by S into S minus A. Take LCM here. LCM is S minus B into S minus C. Then what is left out? 1 into S minus C after taking LCM plus, and that LCM I wrote here. And by Heron's formula, denominator is delta square. S plus S2S minus C minus 1. Delta square gets cancelled, and we know that 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. So minus C minus B, which is nothing but A. Option A is correct. So remember this shortcut: R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 is equal to S square. In triangle ABC, cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus. Remember this shortcut in triangle ABC, the value of this is 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Remember this formula. This formula will be getting in transformations chapter. But if you look at options are in terms of smaller and capital. So what I am doing is, here this 2 can be written as 4 capital R by 2 capital R. So what I did, I multiplied and divided with 2 capital R. And this numerator is nothing but small r. This is nothing but formula for small r in radius. So 2 plus small r by 2 capital R, which is option C. So remember the shortcut: cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 is 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. And then multiply and divide with 2 capital R. And the numerator becomes smaller for in radius. This is a direct type model. Remember this as a standard result: R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB is equal to 1 by R minus 1 by 2 capital. Remember this as a standard result. Next, in triangle ABC, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B sin C is equal to 1 given. Then which type of triangle it is? This condition, if you observe carefully, this is true for what values of ABC? For what values of ABC this condition gets satisfied? A is equal to B is equal to 45 degrees and angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Check with those angles and see whether the given condition is satisfied or not. Cos 45 into cos 45 1 by 2 plus sin 45 into sin 45 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gives 1. So this condition is satisfied for these values. And hence the triangle is right angled isosceles, because one angle is 90, other two angles are equal. So right angled isosceles, option D. You have to do by trial and error method, by verification. So this condition is satisfied for what values of ABC you should think of. It is satisfied for AB 45 and C 90, and hence Triangle is right angle bisections.